This is Maury City's new fire truck that they got in 2014. Yeah, it's a nice truck. It's got all kinds of new updated equipment. It's very nice. And here's the back. Now that one's old. They had that one, I believe, from the 80s. I think it's, I know a firefighter, his name's Joe. I think it's a 83 or 85, maybe. It's old. The pumper one before this one was a 1960s actually. And yeah, this is 80s. That one and the other one behind this truck. The other one behind that truck is actually a little bit newer, and that one's also old. That one's 90s, but however, that one and the one behind that truck are both from the military, and they converted them. I think they were like caravans and stuff, and they converted them into fire trucks. That's a brush truck, and that's the tanker. And of course, on the collection channel, I already did the tornado siren there. Pumper 1, they got it back in 2014. The one they had before it was real old. It was the 60s. I remember when it went out on its last 911 call before they got this truck. I mean, they went full code 3 in it. They lights and sirens and everything. And then a couple weeks later, they got this. Pumper 2. Alright, this is the brush truck. It's got a little mini wheeling LED bar where it only flashes red. Yeah. I think they got this about a couple years ago. Once again, this is from the Army. Yeah, I think this one, the caravans that the military had, and of course you see they obviously painted it and converted it into a fire truck. Yeah, I done already covered that loud thing. They do got decals on the back. Yeah, number, and the Maury City Fire Department with the 2 crossed axes like on the front doors. Oh man, years of this truck. Oh man. That's starting to come off. I believe right there it's supposed to say tanker. And there's the R. Maury City Fire Department. Tanker. Got a old Code 3 light bar. Huh. Yeah. This here's the utility department. Oh, here we go. A lot better on this side. See them, but they're strobing. Yeah, it doesn't have worked in years. Yeah.
Which we don't use this vehicle on the road much. That's why the light's fine. Now, if you use it on the road like we do the engines and stuff, you have to have all the rear lights and stuff on it.
Yeah.
We just use this mainly for fields.
Yeah, because that's what it's purposed for.
Yeah.
Yeah. The pumpers take care of the streets. These are for fields and stuff.
Yeah.
Places.
So is that one over there.
Oh yeah, that's right. It too. Huh, I didn't do the decals back here. I forgot to do these. Huh, well, alright, thanks man.
Yep.